This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in Summerhill Village at 1680 Townsite Road. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Starting at the entrance, there is a bifolding double-door closet on the immediate left. On the right is the kitchen. The U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stove top. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in open concept design. On the back wall, there is a large glass window with a rolling shade. On the right, there is a door that leads onto the balcony. Right of the living room is the primary bedroom. On the back left wall, the primary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade. Right of the doorway, there is a walkway that leads directly to the ensuite bathroom. Prior to the ensuite bathroom, there is a spacious walk-in closet on the left. The ensuite bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and walk-in shower. The vanity features 3 drawers and 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Left of the living room, there is a hallway that leads straight. On the immediate left, there is a double-door closet with a white, apartment-sized stacked laundry machine and dryer. On the right is the second bedroom. The bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall. On the immediate left, there is a bifolding double-door closet. At the end of the hallway, there is the second bathroom on the left. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, shower and bathtub. The vanity features 3 drawers and 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting.